I'm Erie Insurance, and I'll be explaining today's insurance term to...
I'm a giant robot. I don't have a name, but my serial number is XCC1709222B.
I'll just call you X.
If that's easier for your human brain.
X, what do you know about guaranteed replacement costs?
Does not compute. Yeah, I'm kidding. I'd just love to say that. But seriously, no idea.
Okay, so guaranteed replacement cost is a policy option where Erie would pay to rebuild your home in case of a major loss, even if that cost is more than what's listed as covered on your policy.
I live in an orbiting space fortress that cost 1 million galactic credits to build. Does that count?
For the sake of example, I'll say yes. What happens is an Erie agent would help you estimate how much coverage you would need to rebuild your home, fortress, should disaster strike. That might be listed on your policy as 1.5 million galactic credits to account for inflation and other rebuild costs in the future.
Carbine-tanium hull plating is expensive.
Well, I'm not too familiar with carbine-tanium, but with the guaranteed replacement cost option, your policy could help you completely rebuild your fortress after a covered loss, even if it costs more than the 1.5 million space credits that was originally expected.
So, if a supersonic space tornado ripped through our cosmic neighborhood, Erie would guarantee I could rebuild an all-new fortress?
Yep.
Even my holographic rec room? That was a graduation gift from my mom.
Yeah. And your mom is?
A toaster oven.
Wow. She must be very proud.
My dad's a refrigerator. We're a blended family.